Conrad just asked about this, so I've been meaning to do a video, but frankly, there's no need to make it very long. So, how to make a dangler sheath out of a bark river, and I found the easiest method possible. This is a belt loop titanium clip doohickey. I don't know if it has a real name. These clips here are for, it was designed to clip key rings into, but what I like is this belt loop on it because it's a double, it's wider, so your belt slides into there. This is just on your belt, it's titanium, weighs next to nothing, and you have it on your belt. Then, separately, I bought these D-rings with screw attachments, and these are about 1 inch wide, so bark river knives that have a belt loop that's about 1 inch wide, you can put these on it. And this is on your belt. You can snap one of these on there, and I'm doing this one-handed. Now you got a dangler sheath, and you can switch it back and forth between knives. There's also a cool thing. Now this is going to be very hard to do. I have been able to get both clips in there at the same time. There it is. I just did it. Perfect. So now if you're hiking and you want extra retention, just to make sure you're not losing it. I mean, this is through your belt. You're not losing that. But now you got a double retention, and you got a nice, very easy, very quick dangler sheath. Once you order it, it takes you all of 2 minutes to put it together. Just as long as it took me to make this video, which is now under 2 minutes. See you. Bye.